Hello, I'm in a 2015 Ford Fusion, and today I'm going to show you how to fold your seats. So for these rear seats, we'll see this little lever here we can pull and then pull the whole seat forward. Same process for that side seat on the passenger side. And you can see here's where it was hooked onto here. And when you're ready to fold this back up, I would recommend pulling the seat belt up over the top so it doesn't get stuck. Then you'll lift the seat back, and then it locks back in place. And you can see now the seatbelt's not caught behind, and this is now firmly in place. And if you need to remove these headrests for whatever reason or adjust the height, there's a button here you can push. When you have this pushed in, you can now raise or lower this headrest. And if you keep it pushed in, you can pull this headrest completely out if desired. Same for all of them, they all work the same. This you can just pull down and then fold back up when you're done. And then for this driver's seat, as long as you've got some power to your vehicle, you'll push this to move the whole seat forward. This moves the whole seat back. This controls the back, forward or back. So backwards, forwards. And this is your lumbar support, so this will make the middle bulge out, and this will make it recede. And then in passenger side, we'll check that out. Very similar to the driver's side though. So here, exact same controls. So forward, backwards, and then this is to make your back lean forward or back, and then that lumbar support. But I hope all this was helpful. Hope you have a wonderful day.